Hey guys, this is Ravencraft Sports. We're back at it with Friday's pack opening. This is part 3. Let's get into it. This is Triple Play 1992. Donruss. I got a lot of Donruss cards. Got a lot of Fleer Upper Decks. Little scratch off card. Stay to the end. I got a surprise. Oh, Butterfingers for me. And remember, if you like to comment, please like and follow. I'll also follow you back. And to everybody that watches, thank you. Alright, here comes the surprise. I have a Scores 1991 NFL football. Let's get into it. It's a plastics. I gotta beat the deadline. Another Michael Ricky Jackson. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. We'll do another pack opening soon.